In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Wi-Fi settings of your Canon TS3350 with an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The first step is to go and download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app on the Google Play or App Store. Once it's downloaded, don't open it yet. You'll go to your printer, and where the buttons are, you're gonna press on the smartphone button and keep holding it until you see on the small screen the Wi-Fi icon blinking. Once it's blinking, you can release the smartphone button. Next step is to go on your Android device or iPhone, go into the Wi-Fi settings, and you should see your Canon printer out there in the list. Tap on it and connect. There should be no password required. The next step is to open the Canon Print Inkjet and Selfie app that you just downloaded, and you'll get this question. You're gonna press the yes button. After a few seconds, you'll get this screen and you'll have to choose your wireless Wi-Fi network of your house or office, depending where you are. Select it from the list, and then you're gonna enter the password of this Wi-Fi network. Once you're done, just press OK. Then you may get a few of these screens. You just have to press the OK, or sometimes it's written yes. Just press on it and it will go to the next one. And then finally you'll get this screen. You just have to press cancel at the bottom there. And after a few seconds, finally you'll be done. Your smartphone will be connected to your Canon printer and you'll be able to print, scan, copy, and even more. To get more info about your printer, just tap the small picture of your printer down on the screen. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to leave a comment and maybe even a like. See you in the next one.